Well, welcome everybody. Welcome. Quick introduction. My name is Kevin Ngarrindjeri. I'm a proud Ngarrindjeri man from here, the Lower River Murray Lakes in Coorong region, and I will be your MC today, ladies and gentlemen. And I would like to welcome my beautiful cousin Kyla McHughes to do a quick welcome to country for us. Can we please give her a warm welcome? Thank you.
Thank you for that, Kevin. Nguldiangu nom kuliwa. Nganawi michi Kyla McHughes. Ngapi lakinyeri Ngarrindjeri Ramsar. Ngapi ngachitul pultang. Nganawi ngachi kungari nori nunundi kondali. Ngapi piltengi platjingum munkumbuli kachiri Ngarrindjeri memini. Nguldiandu yamala ruwank. Ngarrindjeri palak ald. Ngarni Ramsar yuntalan alunik rui wunyi. Ngarni Ramsar pertin turna nankariwa ald kan aiki mrathulanunk. Ngarning lelen angu ngamui ngapuda mangadang piltengi kungalarumi ambi. Ngapi miwi elen nudiandu nganui ngapuda wuni ngopanam weldai lewin Ngarrindjeri Ramsar rui. Kunthanap noni kalyan ngati nuldiandu ngom Ramsar Ngarrindjeri ruwank. Welcome everyone to Goolwa. My name is Kyla McHughes. My clan is Ngarrindjeri Ramsar. My birthplace is Victor Harbour, and for a long time I lived in Goolwa. My totems are the black swan, pelican, red-belly black snake and the whale. I'm a strong, proud, smart and good-looking Ngarrindjeri woman. You're not actually meant to laugh at that part. Welcome everyone to the traditional lands of us Ramsari Ngarrindjeri people. We Ramsari belong to this land, and this land is a part of our soul. We feel the footsteps of our ancestors beneath our bare feet. We acknowledge and thank our elders for their strength, resilience and courage. We thank you for joining us today to pay respect to the spirit of our ancestors who have nurtured this land for thousands of years. We'd also like to thank you all for the job that you're doing for country on behalf of all of us and with us too. I'd like to welcome my ancestors here today and each and all of your ancestors to all come together and be together while we are all on Ramsari Ngarrindjeri country. Peace be with you and thank you.